Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to be talking about two things. The first one will be a video, right, that is now circulating, right. I get to understand say the incident took place in farm, a place called Greenwich Farm. I'm going to talk about that first. Then I'm going to touch on a story from see, the Jamaica Star, and it involves Simone. Yes, Simone get caught up in her worries with man at jail. You have to go hear this, because when you can't tell me that this is not some kind of Netflix show. Let me start off with Greenwich Farm. Video come out 87s. Right. You can see them draw down now on Pro Box. The brother them I go after. Just so happen for them on this spot. Right. 10 of them think they got already. Right. 87s don't just get in one car and decide, alright, we're gonna just drive around the whole place and hope so we see him. Just hope saying left him yard. Just hope say him dip on the corner. No, them get the word, say yo him there, no, we're on white shirt, him walk on the lane here. Him and if you can catch him right now. Right. So them draw down. Right. In the video you only see the red shirt brother come out of the car with a rifle. Finish him off. But somebody else in the back of the car was also firing. That's evident. Because white shirt drop instantly, then red shirt come out and let me say finish him. The whole thing don't even take no more than say maybe 10 seconds. It was over very quickly. Man run left all them bicycle. Right, pure madness. As you can imagine, you up on a corner, 1 minute beer runs a fire, people are taking themselves. Think about this. Brother will come out in the red shirt. Right. A rifle in my use. And the reason why that's troubling and why it should be concerning for Jamaicans is the fact say 87 no go jump out of one car with an AR, something like that, or even an AK, whatever the case may be. That introduce a whole different type of ball game. Because for one, most of them can shoot. In this instance, them get them target because, to be honest, the brother was so close, it will be harder for them miss, right, than for actually catch him. Right? And the 87 make sure walk right down upon him, right, finish him off. But here's the thing. Normally, 87s, if them go drive around now and car go somewhere, them go jump out with handgun. Them go jump out with the quote-unquote matic. When them jump out with them handgun, do them a do. Take about themselves. You say, alright, cool. But you see, when them a drive around with rifle, that means that the person where them a come from. Assuming he's an excellent one, he must be armed as well. 2, he must be an excellent shot. 3, he must see them. You see, if even one of them thing there is missing, he's done for. Purely based on the caliber of weapon that man come with. But it not stop there, so. I tell you why this is I'm telling you, this is very concerning. 87s are move around and I carry out shootings with, and I do this with rifle and jump back in a car. Here the next thing. Let's say them buck up in some police. The fact say them a fire rifle too gives them a better chance to shoot them out of the situation. Because now them have range on them side. This is not good. This is not good. But you have to understand that 87 is a certain amount of confidence to pull this off. Them need to know say them can move around in a one car with something like that, which is obviously much harder to conceal. They can just stuck it down in them in them pants front, they can just stuck it now in them pocket or in one bag or so. They have to need some kind of assurance. They have to know the place and make up their mind say, you know what? Yeah man, you can drive the route and nothing gonna happen. And the reason why them can pull off certain things like this, even at the communities them were supposedly locked down, is because again the checkpoints and everything there, it's all static. Them know exactly which part of the security forces them posted up. Plus, them have them people on the ground. You have to understand 87 operate by themselves. Even though them can pull up, right, and let out the rounds, them have them kerosene, them have them bridging down the road where I tell them say, yeah man, the coast clear, Yeah, man, you can drive them on the lane now. See boy, they hurry up, man, you know, white shirt. So the network, right, where it take for pull off as successfully is actually much bigger than what meet the eye. Right. People always think so, oh, boy, them catch him. You ever hear them when people say them, oh, you say them kill so and so right on the spot, you think to yourself, oh, really? So them just left out of them yard. First them have to go take out them weapon with the concealer, like I know, so them have to bury it and lock it. So them have to, after it lock, them have to go for it. Right. Then jump in a vehicle, get vehicle and everything, go for man, and just so happen for one of them target. Them just so lucky, them just always to catch the man on a specific location. Them not have to drive around for the whole day and look and bleach and wait for him. Them just catch him every time, within 5 minutes them catch him. It's a bigger network. And if you start to get out some of these people who are aiding 87s in them apps, or give them information, wood up on the blower, I tell them, say, yeah man, see him down the road, you know, you can catch him right there, so. Oh, by the way, if you want to see the video, you can check it out. I imagine it's all over the place on the major platform then, but the link that was sent to me is from a Instagram page called Jamaica Tory, Jamaica TORY2. There's some see, so you can check it out for yourself. Patreon squad don't know, the video already posted on Patreon from last night, so you can check it out this one. Next thing I'm going to the story we see in the Star. Now, the reason I cover this is because of something what I know about, not this story, but case like this what I know about in a real life. In a real life. And it's so extraordinary that, well, even Netflix might turn it down. You might bring this to Netflix and them say, no Sam, we can't make sure about that because that sounds too unreal. A real life. Hear the story. The name of this woman will be Simone. Star use the name Keisha, but we call her Simone. So basically, Simone, they on social media, you know, and she end up meet a prisoner, a Jamaican prisoner, a man that jail for murder. Let me say that again. She up on her phone, social media, and look like say, you know, she probably have a little IG page probably hot, you know. She probably post some nice pictures and, you know, she'll show off what going on at the back there, so. And she'll show off what going up on her chest, this one. I guess the jail done. See her and like her and link up. Shout her, slide in her DM. Right? Slide like it a banana skin him step on and drop right in her DM. But then now which lyrics him tell her? I don't know if him tell her say her curves them remind him of the road to go up a Blue Mountain or what. But it work. Turns out it's jail done. Right? And Simone get in a relationship. Before me going further, Carlton, save yourself, bro. Carlton, me mind look, Carlton probably look Simone hard, you know. I wonder if I knew Mr. a while ago. I said, jail done. What Taylor said him a jail done. Just use lyrics and promises. Right, and get her from jail. And Carlton will turn up every day. I bring roses. I bring Cadbury chocolate. Right. He might bring fruits when cut from him own a backyard. She tell him say, I'm not ready, you know, I'm not ready for nothing serious right now. I'm just have to wait and see. But she ready for jail done though. Right. Hear this. And this is her exact quote. At first, he and I would pray on the phone. We would read the Bible together and bear things. Lord have me. Oh my God. Hold on, Mr. Peso. One thing we know in man when they drop a jail, you know, especially when the sentence long and the years them start to add up, all of a sudden. If I know Islam then turn to for Christianity, if I know Judaism, they might turn to something. Right? Nothing make man pray and fast and love the religion and love God and love this and jail time. When him there road, the whole thing him pray to is him Glock 40. When in Japa jail, they on him knees. Turn Sister Scully. Turn Sandra Brooks. Be singing. I found the answer down on my knees. Right? So now jail done that jail, I pray with Simone. Simone I said, boy, what a nice God-fearing man. I mean, he probably in there on quadruple murder, but you know. Simone I said, well, you know him change. Him change. Alright, who knows? People go to jail and get reformed to real. So, we could carry on. Him did have me in a fantasy world where me expect baby and marriage when him come out. Let me stop this again. Carlton, just cut my hair out. Carlton, just cut that again of the lyrics. Because I cannot have the clout. Imagine man that jail, I talk to woman on phone. To the point that woman reaching a fantasy world where she expect baby and marriage. Carlton, dash the rose and the chocolate might and go on home. Go on home and move from in front of the woman gate. She don't want you, bro. Save yourself. She go on to state, whenever we on the phone it's like him no want come off. You know how much time off I take white things by joke sometimes, people at Jamaica. You had abroad. Simone said whenever we on the phone it's like him no want come off. Now jail brother at it. I mean him no want come off. Like him there yard. That means say I want really go on Nigeria house. That means him have all the time in the world on his phone then. He no want come off. Anyway, go on to state say jail done assure say it'll be out in 5 years. Yeah. And they found creative ways to have phone intercourse. Phone intercourse? Again, no jail the man there. So tell me something now. How that work out with film cellmate? Yeah. He may not sell, a 2-man not selling now. Or they should be. You dep on phone and have phone rubber dub. And so you dep on phone with the woman that talk about, yeah, baby, me I take off my shirt now. Yeah, me I rub my chest. Me just rub on like a baby oil for my chest. What you a do? Alright. So while him a do all that, what him cellmate a do? What him cellmate a do? This is awkward. Or them work out something and say, listen, certain time of the day you have to go outside and come, I have to go have my phone or whatever, you know. I mean, not understand what I go on. So, man, not jailer. Anyway, this is the part where you know, say, jail house is just a holiday camp for someone. Check this out. Simone said that her then boyfriend found ways to prove his love and affection from behind bars. She said that he showered her with gifts including jewelry, expensive clothes and even cash to start her business. Hold on again, my ask the question, the jail demand. And maybe tell me say jail done, that jail. A shower woman with gift, jewelry, expensive clothes. Chanel, Gucci, Versace, Christian door, Christian window. Christian counter, all kind of things. Even cash we start our business. Which kingpin? I wonder if which kingpin I go on so. Then the man have all money and jewelry for the woman. Him that jail and she that road in there, but continue. She said I was being well taken care of. So you see it, Carlton? I love you and I respect you and I want to be with you forever and you're the light in my eyes. That don't mean nothing to the money that jail. Right. I said the beer money, the gifts, the jewelry, the cash and the clothes. So you can write your poems all you want. End of the day, those gifts and jewelry and expensive clothes and cash to start business carry greater weight even though the man that jail and she can't see him. She can't just walk by me and go link him. Carlton, move in front of the woman gate, bro. Man, find somebody who keep. Find a Maybelline, bro. Seriously. Goes on for state. That despite her man being behind bars, she rarely had freedom to do as she pleased. So that's how you know so some kind of done. Because him have man a road a watch her. Which is to be expected because if the man a give her gifts and him something, you know it got already. Jail, man of that jail I go, more than likely she hot like fire, you know. So if him that jail or give some money, you know, so him not go just dead about, well, you know, I trust her. Him go, no, him not go trust him. Him make sure send man go watch her. See that? Many times I was somewhere and all of a sudden he was calling me, telling me that I must go home. Hold on, again, for the 127th time, the jail man there. You can imagine man that jail call woman, where you there? Go on home. He would call over 100 times straight. If he can't get me on the phone, 100 times. 100. You know, let me carry on. She said he became so possessed that he would at times send someone to her home to find out what was happening to her. If he couldn't, so even the man can't reach her, he must send man to her yard for the 700th time. The jail is better there. It seemed like him phone. This brother don't even have a cell phone. This brother have a house phone in a jail. This brother have a house phone. He have the wire plug in at the wall. He have a modem, right? Because the amount of calls he make and how frequent he can use the phone. This brother now use no smuggled phone. He can't use one phone if you hide and go on so. House phone the man have in a jail. You're the part now, no? According to Simone, she only got peace after she became a Christian and decided to ignore the things of the world. She changed her telephone number and cut off all forms of communication with Andre. After, him show her gifts, jewelry, expensive clothes, and cash to start business, so like the business are going good. Look like the business are going good. She better be careful. Because some man, but I think that worst, first of all, him there jail for murder, so you know him willing, you know him depend already. So if you go, man send all this money if you start business and then now you turn Christian and change number. So man now want to hear that. Simone better be careful. Right. Looking back, Simone said she considered herself a lucky woman, adding that her decision to follow Jesus saved her from a situation that could have become deadly. Decision to follow Jesus. Interesting. But what's strange is, so it look like so even before she turned Christian, she was a prayer warrior because according to her, them used to pray. Me thinks that two of them depend the whole, you know, Christian thing. So how come she just turned Christian and done with him? And the two of them did a pray. I don't understand what going. Who them will pray to? Me think say jail done found the Lord in jail. Now she said she turned Christian and left him. And ignore the things of the world. In other words, she cut down left the man. Business are going good. See, I just had to cover this story because Netflix can't even dream up them things. Yeah. But, you know, I had to cover this because the whole, even though you know we laugh and, you know, bad things make joke, but what we really want to show is the whole phone thing at jail. So man literally live the exact same lifestyle. Man live them done lifestyle. Man look woman and get woman from jail. Man in that road can't get woman, you know. You have man in that road that on some 3-year drought. Man is free like a bird. They on 3-year drought. And man in that jail I get woman. Netflix. To move aside. Bunch of wannabes. Jamaica the real show. Anyway. Patron Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, whole life. Ultra Squad, see you circling. Bless.